Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make clouds in Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing we need to do is to go on the left hand side here on the rectangle tool. We keep pressed and we go to ellipse tool. And now we just make some circles. And this one I think is pretty good. So you hold Alt and you just drag the circles around. That's it, it's pretty simple. I think maybe we should put one more here. Yeah, I think this one is pretty good. And now the first step is to go on the left hand side again, here on the shape builder tool. And now we just select every single piece. As you can see, we don't want to leave anything outside. As you see, this is a pretty good one. It's a pretty good cloud. And to make it a bit beautiful, let's go to Window tab, and here we have gradient. And I already made my gradient here, as you can see. Let's make it in this way, a bit darker on the lower side and on the top side to be a bit brighter. And yeah, that's it, that's the cloud. We can get rid of our stroke, we don't need it anymore. And now we can make different stuff with our clouds. Let's see if we put one on the top. Yeah, it looks pretty beautiful. Now one on the side. Yeah, if we want, we can make some flashes. Yeah, we go here on the pen tool if we want, and yeah, it's pretty easy to make some flashes. One here, maybe one here too. Let's make one more. I think it's pretty good. With a little bit of practice, you can learn how to make them really fast and really easy. Let's finish this one too. Yeah. So now we just click on them and let's give it a color. Maybe a yellow, it's pretty good. I think this one is maybe this one. No, it's good. And let's send those two to back, arrange. So first thing you need to do is to right click and go to arrange and send to back, and we bring this cloud on the top, arrange, bring to front, and now we have it. Maybe a little bit longer. So that's it, guys. With a little bit of practice, you can make really nice clouds, and as you can see, it's not that hard. So if you found this informative, please like and share with your friends, and subscribe if you want to. I will be really glad, and have a good day. Goodbye.